perfect, I know sometimes I be wrong.
You already know what we about to do. Secure another load. It's Sunday. About to head back up to Pennsylvania. Drop this off. I ain't about to do no securement on this load right here. You already know. I'm throwing chains on steel. I don't do the belts. And we're gonna ride. Hopefully we don't get too caught up in the snow that's going up next this way. But we gonna see. Holla. Well, we here. Snowing and wind blowing. Those guys up the hill trying to plow me a spot so I can back this trailer into. But I'm gonna unsecure the load once I get up the hill and head somewhere so I can park and shut down. They're talking about 16 to 24 inches of snow. So y'all can pretty much see how my day for tomorrow gonna go. I'm gonna be snowed in most likely. They're already issuing bans for trucks that are empty. So, man, I got my food, water, and everything I need on the truck, and stuff to cook with. I always gotta be prepared. See, it was like 2 foot of snow up that hill. It's like 20 degrees right now. I'm gonna go ahead and take a couple chains off now. I'll check back in with y'all later, yo. Gotta hurry up and get out this cold. Winter Wonderland. That's what I woke up to, man. Can't go nowhere. Road's not even plowed. Y'all hear how that wind cutting? Woo! And this ain't even the peak of the storm. This Sam's Club right here let me park here last night. That was nice of them because I ain't had nowhere to go. Everybody else was tripping. Snow piling up hour by hour. Should build me a snowman. Hey Dion, you watch this video, man, I'm gonna build a snowman for you. About to go try to find me something, man. Hot cocoa or something. Definitely not my type of weather. Finally get to leave. Got a long 2.5 days. Then it's starting to snow again. Too bad I ain't built a snowman. I ain't built for this cold no more. Oh, this snow. There go my baby over there. I misjudged this storm right here, big time. I think it was gonna be light. But 27 inches. Oh no. Had to go check in a hotel room.
Been saving more than I've been spending, that's what I be on. I'm a human, I'm not perfect, I know sometimes I be wrong.